Hello everyone. You know that already we have started this chapter. So that is lines and angles. Having the same, today teacher is going to discuss complementary angles and supplementary angles. As you can see in this picture, when two angles are said to be complementary, if their total is 90 degree, as you can see in this picture. So if the angles total is 90 degree, they are known as complementary. When two angles are said to be supplementary, if their total is 180 degree. You can see in this picture also 128 degree plus 52 degree, total will come 180 degree. They will known as supplementary angle. Now this is your word problem, page number 103. So today's session teacher is going to discuss 10 to 14 word problems. Now first question number 10 says an angle is twice of its complement, find the angle. Here you don't know about the angle. So what you will do, let the angle be x. Now if you want to find out complement of it, so complement of an angle, what will come? You have to subtract angle from 90 degree. So complement of an angle will come 90 minus x degree. Now what the question suggests? Question says an angle is twice of it. Angle was x, it is twice of its complement. So here you can see accordingly I have framed the equation. Now you have to solve it. X equals to 2 into 90, 180 minus 2x. You will transpose it. X plus 2x equals to 180 degree. Now x plus 2x is what? 3x equals to 180 degree. How will find the value? 180 divided by 3. Then you have to cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 360, 80. So angle is 60 degree. So this is your answer. Now next question we have, the ratio of an angle and its complement is 2:3. So here also you have to consider, you have to assume the angle is x. It says an angle, so before that you will assume let the angle be x. Now complement of it, what will come? You know that you have to subtract it, yes, from 90. So it will come 90 minus x. ATQ means what? What the question says. Now ratio of an angle, what is ratio? That fractional part, one number divided by another number. It says angle and complement of an angle is 2:3. The ratio is given 2:3. What was the angle? That was x. Complement of it 90 minus x equals to 2/3. You will do cross multiplication. You know that how to do. 3 into x, 3x, 2 into 90 minus x. You have to multiply it. 190 minus 2x. You will transpose it. 3x plus 2x gives 180. That means what you will do? 3x plus 2x, 5x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 divided by 5. And you have to cancel it. You know that how to do. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 6 are 30. So x will come 36 degree. Clear? Now next we have the supplement of an angle is 3 times the angle itself. Accordingly you have to do the same. So if angle is x, so supplement of it, what will come? Let the angle be x. Now supplement of it, what will come? Supplement, what will come? You have to, now this time you have to subtract this from 180 because it says supplement. Now what the question says? According to question says supplement of an angle is, now supplement is what? 180 minus x, that is equals to 3 times the angle itself, and the angle was x. So 3 times of it. Now solve it. 180 minus x gives 3x. Now you will transpose it. 180 equals to 3x plus x. Here you can see 180 equals to 4x, or you can say 4x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 divided by 4. Now you have to cross check. You have to cancel it. 2 2s are 4, 290 80, 2 1s are 2, 235 45, 90. So it will come 45 degree. So x is 45 degree. So angle is what? 45. That is 3 times the angle itself. Next we have question number 13. It says the supplement of an angle. This is very important question. Very important question. Okay. Now solution is what? The supplement of an angle. To make an equation, you have to find the complement of the assumed angle. So complement of it, what will come? 90 minus x, and here for supplementary it will come 180 minus x. Clear? Now you frame the equation. Okay, now what the question says, supplement of an angle is 180 minus x, that is equals to 4 times the complement of the angle. Now you have to solve it, and you know that how to solve. 4 into 90, 360 minus 4x. Now this is equation, you have to solve it. Now transpose it, minus 4x minus minus plus, it will transpose. Now you have to subtract it, minus 180 equals to minus 3x. Now you can see here we have negative sign, so minus minus will cancelled, or you can write 3x equals to 180, x equals to 180 upon 3. Then you have to cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 360, 80. So x equals to 60 degree. Clear? Next we have, this is your last question, not the last, 10 to 14 it is last. So question number 14 says the ratio of an angle and its supplement. The earlier already we have done this type of a question. Ratio means fractional part, one quantity, one number divided by another. It says angle and its supplement. So angle divided by supplement of an angle, and the ratio is given 5:1. If here I considered angle x, then supplement of it what will come? 180 minus x, and that ratio is given 5:1. Now do cross multiplication. Now x into 1, that is x, 5 into 180 minus x. Then x equals to 900 minus 5x. Now transpose it, x plus 5x gives 900. 5x plus x would come 6x equals to 900, and x equals to 900 upon 6. Then now you have to cancel it. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 0 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 150, 300. So x is what? 150 degree. And if you want to cross check it, you can. Angle I got 150, and its supplement is what? 180 minus 150, that will come 30. Now you can cross check, the ratio will come 5:1. Clear? Thank you.